Welcome to the Marketing for Real Estate Professionals, using the same tools and techniques used in Silicon Valley. So here we go. First, we talk about the framework, and I believe the framework is what you need to have when you first get started. And the framework is, in essence, what are you all about? What is your life journey? And how do you go about talking to people? It's all about communicating and communicating effectively. So what's really good is to have a list of like who you meet, what day you meet people, and what kind of impression did you make on each person that you meet, whether it's online or in person. How did you follow up, and what was that person's first impression of you? When you start having that understanding of self, you have that understanding of what this framework means to you. In essence, you need to establish what is your footprint. And this footprint really relates to who am I, what am I about, what are my associations, what am I part of, what do I give back to in my community, my family and friends, what skills have I acquired? Are these skills like just life experiences, good, bad, and indifferent? But all experiences in life are good. It all depends on, how you go about applying them. And then who are the influences in your life that made you who you are today? And what kind of relationships have you nurtured along the way? So when you go through this whole class, you go through each one of these and we make sense of what you're all about, what is your framework for living, and what is your framework as it pertains to where you're going in real estate.